There's like a miniature railway up to there, I think. So let's go and check it out. Oh, that's dangerous. Okay, super duper excited. No. Okay, so let's get to this. Cool. Wow. So long. Okay, going on the bridge to here. Okay, so hey, how's it going? You speak to me? No, he doesn't. You don't. Okay, well, I have my tickets here. Take these. Yeah, just take them. Oh my. No, I don't take them. No. Okay, please don't. I don't want to get kicked out. Okay, good. This is an amazing ride. I love it so much. Whoa. Okay, so amazing ride, but that needs to be put back. So bye bye. Wonder what's happening there. Wait, don't see any tracks, but I see some new stuff. Does this mean that MCPE miniature railway is now closed? Just dashes here. Look, there's no tracks. There's some iron bars here. Can't really zoom in, but that is kind of a cheat. And why not? Oh look, all the tracks came around this block up to here, and oh no, the bridge is gone as well. Jump. Ooh. At least the vines could barely help me. Surrender. Wait. Does this say danger? Oh no. Oh, this looks way different than last time. Closed course, and oh, it's the villager from last time as well. And oh, the ticket on, but the platform's still here and this part's still here. Can't get through the gate because it's closed. This is a pretty sad time for miniature railway, and for entertaining kids and stuff. Well, it's completely gone, and I've heard that they're going to build something new here, and we'll find that out another day. So bye bye for now.